We forgot to check how the drive plimpet connects to the dungaree shaft while the engine was in the car, so to check these things, we decided to briefly reinstall the gas engine.
Okay.
On there, it's out.
There's something.
Yeah.
Oh, there we go.
There's like a little strip of metal. There we
Oh,
go.
there you go.
Engine's back in the car. This is the plimpet hinge. It modulates the signal from the bumpus to the wheel wells. What we forgot to do the first time was measure the oscillation, so we're going to do that now. Okay, that's giving us a 4.3, which is good. The dungaree shaft is hidden under the carburetor. It's combobulated right now, which we don't want. If we can discombobulate it, then we can take it out of the carburetor and use it in the EV. With our checks done, it was time to take the Acty down off the jack stands and push it into a lake.